So today we are going to perform the first experiment, that is the logic gate study. So first of all we are going to implement the AND gate. So these are the components which are required for performing this experiment. One is the breadboard, which is this one, and this is the display board where you can see the outputs. So now first IC we have taken is the AND gate IC. So this is 14 pin IC. As you can see, these are having 14 pins and having one notch. So from the notch we'll start reading out pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the IC number is listed over here. Like it is written over here that your IC number is 7408. You can see over here 74IC08. So this is 7408 AND gate IC. So we will put this IC onto the breadboard like this, and now we will connect the wires, and wires will be like, if you give the input as 0 0, that means ki both the pins would be given 0 as the input. So what is the output for the 0 0? AND gate is basically the multiplication. So if we take 0 input as 1 and second input also 0, so both the inputs are 0 0, so both the inputs we are connecting to the ground. So where it is, so you can see the power supply here, plus 5 volt is the VCC and ground is the black one, which is connecting to the black wire, that is ground, plus 5 volt connecting to the red, so that you can easily distinguish between the VCC and the ground. So now you can just see the connections. So your pin number 7 is connected to ground and 14 pin is connected to VCC. So now to check the output on the display board, we have connected pin number 3 to the display board. Pin number 1 and pin number 2 is given 0 0. That is your ground.
One is VCC and 2 is 0.
So ultimately if we apply 0 0, then output would be 0. So there is no LED which is on display. So if we put 0 and 1, like one input is 0, another input is 1. So we can see that our display board will show you the LED which is in the glow mode. So if we connect 0 and 1, so your LED will glow. So you can see this. When both the inputs are 1 1, which is connected to the VCC over here, like 1 is connected to this and second is also connected to the VCC, 14 is also connected to VCC. Here it is the pin number 3 which is connected to the display board, and 7 number pin is connected to the ground. Here we have connected the ground and here we have connected the VCC. So you can see the output is 1. Likewise you can perform all gates which we will be showing you. So now we will be talking about the second gate which we have put up as the XOR gate. So IC number is 7486. So here the output would be 1 when there are two different inputs, like 1 0 or 0 1. So now you can just see the connections over here. Pin number 1 is connected to ground, pin number 2 is connected to VCC, 14 pin is connected to VCC, 7 number pin is connected to ground, and this third number pin which is connected to the display board here, so that we can check the output from here. And this one is connected to the ground, this one is connected to the VCC. So you can see the output as 1. And if we take the same input for the case of XOR, then output would be 0. So you can see here your LED will not glow. So this way we can check for all the inputs. Like now we are providing the input as 0 and 1. So you can see still the LED is glowing. So this way you can perform the rest of the experiments.